in today's video I'm gonna do a Nykaa haul which I purchased during Hot Pink sale and Independence Day sale. There was huge sale going on. I got amazing discounts on this sale. I got varieties of products like conditioner, face wash, toner and few new products that I want to try. So if you want to know what Amisha have, then please keep watching. I got so many products, so I won't able to do a one particular video with all of these products. Then it will be a super long video, so I thought to do another Nykaa haul with rest of products. Before starting my Nykaa haul, please consider to subscribe my channel. Then I will be able to continue this channel. So without wasting any time, let's get started. This is my first box. This is the first product. It's Palm Green Tea Toner. I really like this toner.
This is my second purchase. If you have oily skin, then go for it. It has AHA, which is good for skin.
Second product is Cetaphil Oily Skin Cleanser. This is my favorite cleanser. I use this such a long time.
I got this only 345 rupees in offer.
The next one is 5-in-1 Massager and Exfoliation Tool.
This is priced for 300 rupees only, which is budget friendly also.
Next I ordered this Wadi Herbal Lip Balm.
I really love this. This keeps hydrated my lips for a long time. This is only for 43 rupees.
All the products links and offer prices are mentioned in the description box below. So the last product of my first box is this Miss Claire Full Coverage Eye Base Concealer. This is really good. I even built this eye makeup with this one. Moving to the second box, I ordered this cleansing pads from Vega. This is pack of 2. I never used this before, so I tried on.
This unique pad comes with a back strip to hold while cleansing or removing makeup. With the cleansing pads, you can clean dirt, excess oil and gently exfoliate and smoothen your skin. You can also remove face and eye makeup with water in just a few minutes.
Next, Nykaa sent this Hair Fall Defense Pro Collection conditioner, but I ordered another range of this Pro Collection. For this COVID situation, I kept all these parcels in the gallery for 3 to 4 days, and then when I opened all these products, then I found Nykaa sent me a wrong product, but I could not return this product because the valid date for return policy is over. Move on to the next product. I got this manicure pedicure kit from VLCC.
This kit contains 5 products. Cleanser for soft and thick tissues. Cuticle oil makes the skin smooth, supple and wrinkle free. Scrub helps to removing dry, dull and dead skin. Next, cocoa butter hand and foot cream nourish your hands and feet. Orange anti-tan pack brightens, lightens and even dull, patchy and damaged skin.
Last product of my second box is this Nykaa Nail Care Range 7-in-1 Nail Spa. If you have weak, bitten nail problems, then go for it. So moving on to my third box. This is my third box. I have these sheet marks from Nykaa in offer buy 5 and get 5.
I just love with these sheet marks, so I grabbed 10 of these.
Next, I ordered M-Caffeine Body Polishing Range. This is the body scrub.
This coffee body scrub exfoliates, reduces cuticles and polishes skin and also remove tan.
All the products links and offer prices are mentioned in the description box below. Next, I have this body polishing oil from M-Caffeine. I never tried before, but I really excited to try it one. Next, I have this body lotion from M-Caffeine.
I also get this hand cream for free with this M-Caffeine purchase.
So this is my last box. This is Mamaearth Anti-Hair Fall Kit.
This anti-hair fall kit contains 4 products. One is Mamaearth Happy Head Shampoo. Second is Mamaearth No More Tangle Conditioner. Third one is Root Restore Hair Oil. And the last one is Pro Growth Hair Tonic. With this Mamaearth purchase, they also send me a return kit for free.
That's all the product I shop from Nykaa. Hope this video is helpful to you guys. If you like this video, please give a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Hit the bell icon and you will never miss any update from my channel. I will meet you soon in my next video. Till then, tata and take care.